An important match here. Bandi Amir versus Spinghar Warriors.
There it is, the first ball of the qualifier number 2. Hassani Sakhel is facing Najat Masood. Oh, it was a nice ball. They are appealing. Oh, they are appealing, but umpire, he has not moved an inch over the top of stumps. There you can see a spot on Salarzai. Najat to Hassani Sakhel. Oh, he has played that one. It's up in Ligo and it's over the long out. Fielder for a maximum. First Maxwell Smart was 6 of the innings from the bat of Hassani Sakhel.
He was just watching the ball. Iqdamul Haq and the ball crossed the boundary line for the first maximum ball number 2.
Facing Najat. It's a short pitch ball. It's straight up in the air. Not this time. Hassani Sakhel. Najat Masood, look at him. He's happy. He's a nice man. Haji Abdul Razak. Usman Noori. Oh, nicely played. Quick run taken. Oh, shires the stump. They are looking excited. We will have to wait for the decision. It has been referred to the TV umpire. It's a close call. Salarzai. Yeah, much better angle. Was the bat in the air? That's the big question. Was the bat in the air? There is doubt, but the line belongs to the umpire.
Yeah, he needed to put it eye first, and then he should have dropped his bat, not a schoolboy stuff there, like a backpack you're having holding your back up. So still the umpires are not quite sure. Let them be 100% sure, and then there will come the decision. Still pending.
Yes, they are taking time, the umpires. They are taking time for sure. They want to make sure the decision is spot on. Yeah, tough call. Very, very tough call for the umpire, TV umpire Mahmood Kharote. Still everyone is waiting. Nurullah Ayubi is waiting. So is the entire team of Bandi Amir Stars. Like I mentioned before, this could be a disaster for Ariana Medical Complex. The result would have been different. Still waiting, still, yeah. Yeah, he has been given not out.
Up, and there is a chance of a catch. Straight there is a man. Najat Masood is a fielder. He grabs the catch.
Yes, brilliant bowling from Faridoon. He deserved that wicket.
Look at that dismissal. A slower one and deceived him. A great delivery. He was in double mind to go after that or to leave that ball.
Nurullah, I can tell you, he's a fearless batter. He will go for it. There you can see it was a slower one. And it's running away towards the boundary. First one for him.
Look at that ball. Shuffling across, back of the hand. He wanted to go big, but there was a twist in his bat. Oh, connects that one. Dropping shot, goes big. 1, 2. Couple of bounces to cross the boundary line. Sweet spot.
But this time, Nurullah, you were there, you can see. He had plenty of time. That's good shot.
حسن ساخیلی بیرته ناس ځای ته ستون کړی ګونډه لګوي دغلته ډیپ میډ وکټ ته سمارټ واچ بهترینه میکسویل سمارټ واچ شپږیزه ده توپ وهونکي له لوري بهترینه سلاک سویپ
تکرار ګورو چینل کې و او ډېر ښه یې مډ کړ د مډ وکټ د پاسه د یوې غټې شپږیزې لپاره پروت دی د ښه بال لفټ کولو وروسته او دا منډې چې دي سمسور top of the fielder. Oh, Nurullah Ayubi. تکرار کا وګورو شاته بالو نو دا منډه چې دی بهر دا په لوبغالي کې ویشل شوي دي مان نوري هم ډېر زر لاړو بیک فوټ باندې ځي او دلته لانګ اف د پاسه بال د سټینډونو په منځ کې دی یوې غټې شپږیزې لپاره
hits it down the ground for 6.
Nasir Khan, Merv Holt to continue his bowling. Oh, nice. That's beautiful. Clean hit. Six number 2 up the over. Nurullah Ayubi is going to go for another 6.
2 most important big shot here from the blade of Nurullah Ayubi. They need to score some quick runs here.
Got it down. Oh, He has played that. 4 runs composed, spin Warriors, a simple boundary.
To his left, and finally he has just managed to lead him to that boundary rope, who's a bit struggling today. Launches it down the ground, and a one bounce for Jalad Khan here. It was into the slot, and he has just timed it well enough over that mid-off fielder for a one bounce four.
Look at the last delivery. That's polling nice. Very, very well. And a clean hit once again for this man. Not a flat delivery. That's gone. That's gone. 6 runs for Spin Warriors. A wonderful hit started once again by Warriors.
Yes, this time it was into the slot, and a slot sweep for another Khpalwak Smartwatch 6 here from Jalad Khan. Launches it again, fielder underneath and takes it. And Jalad Khan has to go back because he has mistimed that this time. It was in the air.
Very, very well delivery. Look at that one, a slower one. And that is taking revenge. And this time, first 6, then a wicket. And a simple catch is taken by the main. First ball, fielded really, really beautifully. 4 runs for Shinwari. That's wonderful. They must go for hitting a lot about scoring runs, 4s and 6 runs. That's because they needed a lot about to go for having the big total for the opposition Bandami Stars.
Yes, that's a great start to Samiullah Shinwari. That's how you have to start. Irfan Safi is up against Samiullah Shinwari. That's it late, straight to the fielder. Miscommunication. And a bad throw from the fielder out there.
تر دې مهاله ډېر ښه لوبېدلی دی اوپن کې له حسن اساخیل سره راته شاټ وو نو چې سیټ شي خامخا فیټ شي او ضرور باید میکسویل سمارټ واچ شپږیزه
بالکل نورالله ډېره ښه توپوهنه نن ترسره کړې لږ څه تیز یې وکړو کویکر او بونډ سره هغه هم ځای په ځای ولاړو ډېر ښه راواغی د شپږو منډو لپاره بالکل د شارجې کلب سره لوبېږي دغه شارجې کلب کوم لسکنن لوبډله چې ده
د کرکټ د تاریخ لومړنۍ ورځې موږ ته رایادېږي سټریټ مخامخ یو ځل بیا نورالله ایوبي دغه بال د سمارټ واچ میکسویل سمارټ واچ شپږیزې په تکل لږ راوند بهر ورګزاروي
قیمتي اور د نصیر معروف خیل تکرار ګورو یو ځل بیا سلاټ کې او سلاټ کې چې بال کې دعوت او دعوت ډېر ښه شیان سره قبولیږي د نورالله له لورې شپږ نورې منډې هم ترلاسه کوي
نو دا هغه نومونه دي چې ښه بال دی
اپیل وکټ ډېر پلمبو لګېده او څنګه چې لګېدلی او اندازه لګېدله چې میډل سټمپ کلیک کېږي او دلته سمیع الله شینواري کټر او آف کټر او ډایرکټ بوټ لګېږي بلاک ایریا کې
بهترینه پرېکړه د لوبڅار له لوري
او د داستان رازو سیالۍ د کچېټه ون ډے فارمټ وی یا ټیسټ کرکټ وی نو ښه باس پې کېدو چې په ساعتونو په دغه کېدلی او دلته وکټ راځي یوه بله د ټیم باندې امیر لپاره
انسایډ ایج بولډ آوټ یې خپله وکټ له لاسه ورکړه بیخي بهر ته بال و
زما پاند که چې د دې وروستي باله پورې لاړ شي کټ کېږي دغه بال څلورو منډو لپاره بال د ګلیو پوینټ ایریا ترمنځ نصرت الله زدران له بیټ څخه په کمنټري باکس کې تغییرات راځي دلته زمونږ دوه نور تکړه همکاران
The ball is in the air, the fielder is over there and takes the catch. What a brilliant catch is taken in the day by the fielder.
Once again, a wicket for Irfan Safi. His second wicket of the game. They have bowled brilliantly. Look at that one. Much flatter. Straight in the hands of the fielder.
It was a half trigger and it was a very brilliant shot, but the fielder was out there.
To Nurullah Ayubi. He has played that up. It's straight up in there. Fielder is coming under area. Nicely taken by Afsar Zazai. So Nurullah Ayubi brilliant innings comes to an end.
Look at that shot. He wanted to go and to play that shot over the deep end wicket, but that was a miss
Yeah,
shot.
yeah, it was again a slower one from Faridun. Oh, he has hammered that one, Wafadar Maman. It went like a tracer bullet. Welcome boundary for Haryana Medical Complex Spingar Warriors. Wafadar Maman. Oh, he has played that upishly and it's up in there and nicely held. Once again a wicket for Faridun.
Nijat Masood continues. This time he goes and he goes for a big one over the top of mid-wicket. That's the only question that's remaining to be answered. Lovely shot. The fielder is out there. Is he going to take the catch? Absolutely marvelous. Again, the ball is in there and a simple catch. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the last man is out.
So the target for Bandia Mi Stars is 152 runs to win the game. And they will be meeting Kabul Zalmi in the final if they were able to score it down and chase it down. Bandia Mi Stars, they will be happy with the bowling performance.
It will be a very, very big final.
Here is the run chase, ball number first. Oh, straight to the fielder, miss fielding straight away. It was firmly, and they will get 2 runs. Nice slide in from the fielder. Wafadar Maman, he has to do it for his team if they want to qualify for the final. He can hit quick runs inside power play. Naveed Obed, there you can see it's running away towards the boundary. 4 runs, easy pickings. They are up to the mark. He played that one off the back foot. There you can see lovely placement, exquisite timing. 4 easy runs. Wafadar Maman to continue. Bahar Ali. Oh, it was there to be had and it's running away towards the boundary. Second boundary of the over. Runs are already coming now for Bandia Mi Stars. Short fine leg fielder there you can see. Good shot.
That was a short pitch delivery and he was already in his back foot. Wanted to go for a big one. Whacks it. This time over the top. Sails it for a very big one.
It was once again an over pitch delivery. Bahar Ali Shinwari was waiting for it. His first Palwak Maxwell Smartwatch 6 of the game. There you can see a length ball. Wow. Hold your pose, Bahar Ali Shinwari.
Beautifully played and has beaten the fielder. 4 more there towards the deep fine leg. A classical shot.
Yes, not the right length in line from Lalbaz. Easy pickings for Bahar Ali Shinwari. Nicely played. Good cricket shot from Bahar Ali Shinwari.
This is excellent batting performance so far by them. Cuts it down. What a shot. Beautifully played it into the gap. Punished the bowler this time.
Bahar Ali Shinwari stamping his authority straight away. There you can see. Just flick of the wrists. Oh, it has been called on over as well, and it's flying over that deep thumb and boundary region for a maximum. Wafadar Maman, he is still confused why that ball was given not out by the umpire Saber. Yeah, we are also confused.
It was a leading edge. Actually, the problem is with the side. He wanted to go over the wicket, but he bowled actually on the other side of the wicket, and that's the reason that he is telling him. And the umpire is absolutely right at this stage because you need to tell them.
We are not sure if he had told the umpires.
Ibrahim continues now. Beautifully played. He swatted this one. The ball is racing away towards the deep extra cover for a boundary.
What great timing. Just extension of his arm. It was a mere push, but running away, racing away towards the boundary.
Oh, that's gone. That's sailed over the fielder for really a big one.
Yeah, he has enjoyed it as well. Nurullah Ayubi was entrusted for a while, but it was sailing over his head. Another Palwak Maxwell Smartwatch 6. Yeah, just a flick of the wrist. What great ball striking from Bahar Ali Shinwari. 36 of 14 balls.
Seems sara bowling ki de hum. Oh! لوړه ښکلې او په زړه پورې شپږیزه خپلواک میکسویل سمارټ واچ شپږیزه ډېر ښه ټایم شو د علي شینواري له بیټ څخه تکرار کې ګورو بیک فوټ باندې ځي روم جوړوي ځان ته او د بیټ په منځنۍ حصه باندې دغه بال لوبوي د
ابراهیم عبدالرحیم زای د نوموړي خلاف یو ځل بیا پول کړ دغه بال ډیپ سکویر لیکې فیلډر شته ننداره دې وکړي د دغه زبردسته میکسویل سمارټ واچ شپږیزې
که چېرته خپل فټنس سره سره کرکټ باندې لا هم نور کار وکړي لږ څه ودرېدو بال
One boundary is going to be really perfect for the side. Benjamin Stars. Ball Shinwari is trying. Oh, shot! Oh, that's clean. That's wonderful. Aslak Sibis once again. 6 runs for Benjamin Stars. Benjamin Stars, they continue. A clean hit once again. He is dying. A perfect, a supreme start.
The current run rate is double of required race. Shot of a cage, one bounce to the boundary. Pitching shots, easy picking for the batter. He is in an aggressive mood. Bahar Ali Shinwari can smash. Up in there is a chance for a catch. Wicketkeeper shouts mine. And picked up with the big gloves. The first blow for the team. Bahar Ali Shinwari can smash. Up in there is a chance for a catch. Wicketkeeper shouts mine. And picked up with the big gloves. The first blow for the team.
That's the end of the innings. Bahar Ali Shinwari.
Look at that delivery. Going for a wrong gun. The ball was spinning away from the left-hander. It's up in there. And Jalal got a breakthrough for the team. Shinwari needed to go in reach to the final hand rate.
Of course, he's turning most. Oh, no. Big turn in that one. Ali for a single. That was the first pair of Sarzazi. Oh, not good throw. Direct to the space. No fielder Azur there. 4 runs extra for the main.
سلاک ته ځي بیټسمین تو پوهونکي او دلته بریالی دی په ډیپ میډ وکټ کې یوه غټه شپږیزه سمارټ واچ شپږیزه لږ څه صبر یې وکړه ډېر ښه یې میډل کړ د بیټ په منځنۍ حصه باندې او دلته شاټ او میډ وکټ د پاسه خپلواک سمارټ واچ شپږیزه افسر خان زازې دلته د بیټ خاموشي ماتوي
مخکې تر سره کړ کافي انتظار وکړ افسر زازي او بالاخره میډل اف د بیټ یې ولوباو واه په کتلو ارزي دغه شاټ ډېره غټه شپږیزه آوټ اف د سټیډیم نوی بال به راځي د
بهار ډېر ښه سټارټ ورکړ نوي دوبیت سره شاته بال او دلته بال ډیپ میډ وکټ ته څلور منډې لال باز سنځې هڅه کوي منه بریالی کیږي خراب بال صحیح استفاده
ډېر وروسته غوښتل کویکر تر سره کې خو څه ډول چې جلال غوښتل هغسې ونه شو او افسر زازي هم ډېر ښه ولوباو په ډیپ میډ وکټ کې 4 منډې اضافه کړلې د جلال ستانکزي خلاف
بال لږ صاف سټمپ ته بریک شو ځان ته جوړ کړی و دلته بیا هم لال باز شته او د افسر خان زازي د پاڼې پای او لال باز افسر خان ته وایي چې د ډریسنګ روم لار دا ده او هلته ډګ آوټ کې ټیم باندې امیر دې ته منتظر دی چې کله خپل سلیبریشن وکړي د پای لوبې لږ څه شات یې ضرور تر سره کړی و بیک فوټ سره لاړو او دلته لال باز ته کیچ ډالی کېږي او ډېر ښکلي سټایل سره اشاره کوي افسر خان زازي ته چې نور ستا وخت پای ته رسېدلی په لوبغالي کې 19 وروسته 24 منډې دی کوي
نوید صرف 2 منډې وروسته د لنې مسلیز یو ممکن ویننګ شاټ هم د همدله بیټ څخه وګورو جلال 2 وکټې ترلاسه کړي د 19 منډو په مقابل کې شاټ او
لال باز سنځه یو ځل بیا ډریسنګ روم لاره دغه د ډریسنګ روم لار نوید عبید ته هم د افسر خان زازي د سټایل ته یقینا ډېر ښه کیچ واخیستل شو خو هغه وخت واخیستل شو چې کشته تقریبا ډوبه شوې ده
بالکل همدغسې ده صرف د 2 منډو ضرورت باندې امیر ستار لپاره دا یو خبره ده د جلال ستانکزي لپاره چې نن سیالۍ کې یوازینی توپ اچوونکی همدغه ځوان دی چې ډېرې مهمې وکټې او د لال باز کیچ او هغه
او شاید ژغورل به ډېره زیاته سخته یو دلته
مسفیلډ او دې سره بند امیر وشو کولی چې پای لوبې ته لار پیدا کړي
بالکل همداسې ده باندې امیر ستورو وکولی شول چې د ستورو په شان وځلیږي او پای لوبې ته لار ومومي. سبا 1:30 بجه په همدغه ایوبي کرکټ لوبغالي کې غټه پایلوبه ستره پایلوبه د ملت سټیل کابل زلمی او د ټیم باندې امیر قیس احمد ټلیفون پورته کو بالاخره د ټیم باندې امیر د نجات مسعود.
په دغه ټورنمنټ کې دغه دوللې که په بیلنس غږیږو بالینګ بیټینګ ډیر زیات په زړه پورې دي. باندې امیر هم ډیره بیلنس لوبه ده، خطو پوهونکي لري له ځانه سره، ترڅنګ ډیر خطو پچونکي هم لري. همدارنګه کابل زلمی لوبډله هم یوه ډیره بیلنس لوبډله ده چې آلریډي فاینل کې او دغه باندې امیر لوبډلې هم وشو کولی تر څو پورې پای لوبې ته لار پیدا کړي.
بالاخره نو دغه فیصله وشوه چې د پای لوبې دوه غوره لوبډلې څوک دي.